Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. क्या हालचाल आप लोग का?
Welcome to another day of spaghetti. So, what I have noticed is I'm not able to have a conversation in English without interrupting myself in between. Like I lose words. Like I'm not able to convert my Hindi thoughts into English properly, like I used to do in college and school, because we were regularly having a conversation in English, and right now I'm not having a conversation in English. These past few years. So
what it has done to your English?
it has I have really lost confidence in English in while I'm speaking in English, because it takes me a little more time to convert my Hindi thoughts into English. I'm losing words.
Think in English. You should think
How
in
can
English.
I think in English? My mother tongue is in Hindi, so
Why
is-
do you want to think in Hindi?
I function like that only. I think in Hindi and then convert it into English and then blurt it
So
out.
that is
So
processing.
while
that is what is called processing time.
Ha.
You're taking time for
And
that
I'm
process.
also not able to, my mind is not able to throw proper English words at me to express myself properly.
Okay.
So that is one problem. Like speaking to customer care, if you say, then
Strangers basically.
strangers basically, then I'm not able to past 2 years I'm not able to
Make a conversation,
put forward my thought very clearly, and then I switch to English, which I don't want. English is good enough when you are having a friendly conversation, or when you are in an informal situation. However, I want to improve. So from today our vlog will all be in English.
Sorry Hindi guys.
No, there's no need to be sorry. I hope that if we have a conversation in English, people will also be motivated to have a conversation in English.
And it will improve your English.
Your English also. You can, jitna, I was trying to say ki,
Yeah,
you learn most by observing. So if you observe by watching, observing, so by hearing. So if I'm saying something and which is incorrect, then you might be able to correct it yourself when you have a conversation on the same lines. Oh God, see,
this is so difficult.
It
This
is
so tough.
difficult.
And what my problem is, I'm not able to speak in English with people I know. That is my. If you give me an opportunity to talk to strangers, I am very good at it. I can speak fluently with strangers, but not with the people I know.
Basically, totally opposite of my problem.
Yeah, with people whom I am comfortable in Hindi are the ones who I have a difficulty in talking.
I also use fillers a lot, and also one seamless flow of thought,
It's
speaking as if
difficult to
it's
get
your
one,
first
yeah.
language, it's your mother tongue,
But it's not a first language.
right, but we have been taught to speak in English, write in English, eat, drink English since our childhood. So,
Drink
so we should be in a position to have a seamless conversation in English.
If you see today's world, there is no such requirement of being so fluent. I'll tell you why. Because see, like you're working in corporate, there are people who talk in Hindi. Basic देखो communication होता क्या है? What is communication? It's basically to get your point across.
Right, but if you don't practice your English, if you don't speak, why have I lost touch? Because I don't practice it. I don't practice speaking English. And when you have to speak in English, you'll not be able to speak in English because you're not practicing it.
That is there. You should have that.
I agree with you that communication is not a barrier, but at times you will be required to speak in English, because India has put a lot of importance on English, which has led us to move across countries and get great jobs. So it is basic expectation that you'll know seamless English. When you're required, then you can't say that
I don't know.
I'm
that.
flumming. I'm not flumming. I am, what's that word?
Fumbling.
Fumbling. Oh God! You can't fumble. See, I have noticed this with me a lot of times, and only then I have come to this conclusion that my English का भरता बन चुका है. अरे भाई साहब तुम देख के चलाओ.
सारा इंग्लिश आज ही निकाल दी.
हाँ, आज से ही I will speak every thought of mine should be in
just
English.
speak English. She will eat
Eat
English.
English, drink English, sleep English, walk English, talk English. हाय राम. जैसे अगर मेरे को थॉट आ रहा है कि क्या बेवकूफ आदमी है, ओ माय गॉड व्हाट स्टूपिड मैन दैट इज. दिमाग में हम इंग्लिश में ही थॉट्स, अरे थॉट भी मेरे इंग्लिश में ही आएगा अब.
I'll give credit for my English. I'll give credit to my friends in Bangalore. Seriously, because of them, because they had no other, like I had no other option. Like I had to communicate in English with them so that they understand. And because of that, I think I got a fluency for at least 3 years, and that too not just for the sake of speaking, but to communicate everything in it.
Right.
So that got in me, and then I started in school. I did not had that
Did
kind of
not
friends. Yeah. So in college, what happened was I had such friends, or in that group, if the main language was English,
Got it.
because it was in Bangalore. So
My main objective is not having proper grammar, क्योंकि अब वो we are not in that age कि I'm speaking in correct grammar or using very colorful language or very hefty words. Just basic English in which I can put forward my thoughts. That is the only objective here. So from today, our vlogs will be in English.
and we are late today as well.
Speaking in English doesn't mean you have to have an accent. Oh,
Why
today
not?
as well.
Why not? If I have an accent, what's the problem, man?
I am not gonna be with you anymore if you will have that accent.
Let's start that
Oh
way.
my god, you're still speaking having that accent even when I've threatened you that I'll not be with
Yes,
you.
sir,
Oh my,
no way.
that means you don't want
Bye,
me in
yaar.
your life. I'm
Have you ever
going.
heard, guys? Bye, yaar.
Bye. Okay, then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.